Hi everyone, today I have remote control trains.
You have remote control trains?
Yes,
Who do you have right there?
Luke.
Luke? Wow. And what does he come with?
Remote control.
Whoa, super cool. That's really neat, Owen. And guess what, guys? We actually also got Thomas remote control.
Yeah, then he has this one too.
Yeah, it comes with the remote. Owen's going to show us how it works. We already took him out of the box and put batteries in, but that's what his box looks like. And so, Owen, show us how Thomas works.
But first I have to put this here.
Okay, yeah, we'll put Luke over here. We'll play with him later.
Yeah.
So what do we have to do?
We have to turn him on.
Oh, we have to turn it on?
And you press the button.
Whoa!
And you make him stop.
You can make him stop?
Yeah.
What do you have to do?
You have to pick him up over there.
Oh.
And you make him come out.
Whoa.
Oh, this is really fun. Ah! Why is he not going? Even I got another one.
Yeah, we have Luke. Wow, he derailed.
Yes. Hey, come back here.
He can stop and start from far away.
Yeah.
Do you like the remote control, Thomas?
Yes. And that one.
And you like the remote control, Luke, too?
Wow! It was starting from my feet.
What?
I'm gonna block him on my way.
Oh, why does that keep happening? Crazy Thomas.
I don't know. I'm gonna block him.
What? Roadblock, roadblock.
What the? Why is string get on his wheel?
Oh no, a string got on his wheels.
Yes, that was from my shirt.
Oh,
Red
my
shirt.
goodness.
My red shirt.
From your red shirt?
Yeah, because it's right there.
Oh my. Maybe that's why he kept getting stuck. Oh no. Dun 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 dun. Oh, saved by Owen. Oh no.
Hey, what are these holes for?
Those probably are to put batteries in, right?
Yeah. Ah! Come back in.
We're going to have to build a better track for him because he seems to keep falling off.
But
Wah, wah.
I made a dark one for him.
You did?
Yeah.
Whoa, we'll have to make some more for him to play on, right?
Yeah, because I made a dark one.
A glow-in-the-dark one?
Yes, because it comes with a Percy.
Wow, it does?
Yes, and it comes with a scary thing because it's super scary.
Oh no, it's super scary. I think I know what you're talking about. You're talking about the brand new set that we just got you for Christmas. Actually, Grandma and Grandpa got you that one, right? We'll have to make another video of that one to show everyone how cool the glow-in-the-dark train set is, right?
Yeah.
Do you think that remote control Thomas and Luke can go on that track too? I think so.
Yes, but this one first. Bye,
That one
Emma.
first?
Yes.
Oh, so you want to maybe go play with that other train set? Is that why you're trying to say bye? Okay, well, bye everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Don't forget.
And like, subscribe, and comment more videos of Avengers Owen. Bye, everyone.
Bye everybody.
Bye,